Hi everyone, I wanted to take a moment today to show you what we've been working on to help you and your transportation manager manage your bus schedules. Essentially, we've created a tool to allow your transportation manager to know when a bus is going to be running late or is canceled, maybe due to bad weather or if you've got a maintenance issue. And then those notices can be displayed on both the district site and the school site related to that bus. So I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how it works, and then at the end of the video I'm going to continue with a little bit of some instructions on how it can be set up and talk about how we can help you with that. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll note, I'm sitting here on the Scholantis School District demo site. So this would be the same as your district homepage. And you'll notice there's no notices here, there's no special announcements, and there's no notices about a bus alert. And then I'm going to log in as an administrator of the district site. So just under our utility links here, I'm going to go to our sign in and log in as an administrator. And now you can see I've got a space here for my special announcements. I'm logged as an editor. And if I go over to our settings area, and I'm going to go into the site contents, I'm going to click into the bus schedule. So within the bus schedule, we've already set up a bunch of routes. So you can see we've got the Beach AM route and the Beach PM route, as well as the HLS AM. We've got the names of the bus drivers and the status. They're all set to on time right now. I'm going to go up into this list here, and I'm going to go into the quick edit mode. So within the quick edit mode, I'm going to go into the status, and I'm going to choose and say maybe this one is delayed. So the Beach Elementary AM route is delayed. And I could put in a reason and say maintenance issue. If I want to, I can put in some more details. Also, we can separate them into schools and areas. So you can see this bus is for the Beach Elementary School. And we can have multiple school buses for each school. So I'm just going to click into a new area. Now that's going to update automatically. As soon as I make that change here, I'm just going to go browse, and I'm going to open this in a new tab so we can come back here easily. And let's just go to our home page here. So on our home page, you'll now see that in the special announcement area, we've got an alert that's showing up very prominently on the page, saying bus delays and cancellations, and we can see that the Beach AM route has been delayed. Now I can click in on that, and then that's going to take me to a list of all the buses in the district. And if I scroll down to the beach buses, we can see that this one's delayed, and we can see the reason there for a maintenance issue. If I go over to the school sites and go to the Beach Elementary site, we'll also see that on the Beach Elementary site, they've got the same alert that the Beach AM route is delayed. And if they click in from here, that's going to take them to the district list as well. And they'll be able to see that and the reason that that bus has been delayed. I'm just going to return to the home page, and let's make another change to that area. So I'm going to return into the settings area. I'm going to go back to my site contents, and we're going to go back to our bus schedule. So again, you can give permission to your fleet manager to be able to go into this area and make changes. Again, they simply go into the list area and go into the quick edit mode. Now, if this case, maybe today we've got them all canceled because there's going to be a snow day, they can also go and make a really quick change and then say if all the buses in the whole district have been canceled, we can go and change them all to canceled really quickly. And then we could also say instead of maintenance issue, we can say snow day. And then we could copy that to all our buses as well. You could copy it just to buses in a school. You can notice that it's mostly just acting like a little Excel spreadsheet. So we can quickly make those changes. We can change for individual school. We could put some details in here which would be available as well. I'll just put it on the Beach AM route. So now when we return to the home page, we've now got bus delays and cancellations, and it shows all the different buses and which ones have been canceled here. Also, anybody seeing that alert is able to click into here and be able to see what's going on. And you'll notice they'll be able to flip through here and see all the cancellations. So you can see this makes it really easy for your fleet manager to come in quickly, update the bus information. They can go back there and uncancel these routes really quickly as well. So if I go into my Manage Routes area here, and then go into my list and quick edit it. If these are no longer canceled, change it to on time, and then here I can simply drag that down to all the routes. And I could remove all our reason codes in here as well. So I'm just going to go and let's change one of these. We'll change beach back as opposed to being on time. We're going to put a delay in there. We're going to put our maintenance back on. Running 10 minutes behind. I can put some details in here. Why don't I just expand our details? We'll paste those into there. Now, as soon as I've updated that, we're going to go back to our home page here. We're going to see that the alert has been updated, so it's just one bus now that's been delayed. I can click through on that. See the delayed reason here, maintenance issue, run 10 minutes behind. And then I can also click down and see the details. So if you wanted to write a little bit more about that, or maybe if the bus driver is going to be changed, you could update with the bus driver's name and then put a little bit of details down there. So if you're going to have a different driver that day, so the kids know to expect a different driver. On my cell phone size, then we've made it really easy for that delay to show up on their cell phone. So that way, if the kids go to the home page either of the district, or if they go down to their school site, if they've got that page marked, that alert's going to be there very prominently on the page. So that way the kids can check that on their way out the door to see if the bus is running late. One other thing to note is that you have a lot of control over the way your bus routes are displayed. In this case, I've changed the district bus route notifications and grouped them by their schools. So that way you can have your parents are able to go in here, find their school, and see if their buses are on time when they get taken to that full list. So you can see this Beach Elementary bus is still running 10 minutes behind, but now it's just a little easier for the parents to find it. We've got a lot of other things planned for the bus route notification functionality if we get a lot of uptake from our clients on this feature. We've thought about things like incorporating this into a simple iPhone app or Android app so that students can be notified when a bus is running late or has been canceled. If you're interested in using this on your site, please get in touch. It's actually already installed on your servers, but there is a little bit of setup required to use it in your environment. And we'd also like to work with your transportation manager to show her or him how to keep this information up to date. I hope you found this interesting, and please be in touch and let us know if you're going to use this on your site.